Hey there. So, what if I told you just one simple trick can completely change the look of your bedroom? So, for those of you that are new to our community here, hi, I am Stephanie, and I teach people how to keep their homes cleaner with less effort. And I help aspiring cleaning professionals like myself learn the skills to earn really great money on a part time basis.
First thing we're going to do is grab your fitted sheet, put that on. You can always look for the tag that says top or bottom, and that you're going to put that towards the head of the bed or the foot of the bed. And then once you have the fitted sheet on, go ahead and lay your flat sheet, your loose sheet over top. You're going to go ahead and line up the very top by the headboard, and then you're going to make sure that the left side overhang and the right side overhang are about equal. Then what you're going to do is you are going to tuck in the very bottom of the bed, just the very bottom, not the little tails that are sticking out. You'll go ahead and tuck the bottom all the way flat in. Okay, so here's where it gets good. So you're going to go ahead and lift up the bottom corner of the loose sheet there, and you're going to make what looks like a triangle shape. You're going to have the loose sheet kind of hanging down, but then anything that is hanging after we make this triangle here will get tucked under. So here you can see a little bit better how that triangle shape is looking. And then any of the loose sheet that is hanging over on the bottom is going to go ahead and get tucked under the mattress there. So when we lay that bottom part of the flat sheet down, you can see that fold looks nice, it looks crisp, it looks clean, and it looks really pulled together. Even though I didn't bother with ironing sheets, that's not typically what I do for clients. Unless they've asked, and in all my years of professional cleaning, I've never been asked. I don't think it's a big deal in my own home, and most clients don't really request it. So, with both of the bottom portion of the loose sheet tucked in with those nice triangle hospital corners, you can see it looks really pulled together even before I even have the comforter and all of the extra pillows on. It really still looks pulled together and nice, crisp, clean, fresh sheets. Nothing better.
So I hope that this explanation was super easy to understand. I hope that you give it a try, that you apply this technique in your own home. Let me know how it goes. Pop back to the video and let us know how it goes. Snap some pictures, share with us, and let us know your progress and what you're learning. I believe in you, and I am here today to support your growth. So stay connected with us and let us know in the comments how I can be a better service to you. Thanks for watching.